side projects, you can find in outside many companies, they are using the other tools like 3ds Max, SketchUp. With the help of SketchUp also, the exterior, the roads, the building entrance, even the outer shapes, outer design of the building, the entrance gate, everything, even the grass, trees, plants, everything they are doing in 3ds Max. 3ds Max also a tool giving more detailed information, rendering, everything, the colorful, what you require. Even the building is not like that, but they can give all the information and they are going to be show you model in such a way that this building is going to be look like that, and they are making a big flexi and they are putting outside and they are doing marketing for selling that building, the selling that flats, everything they are doing. But that is totally presentation wise and marketing wise, the peoples are using this 3ds Max and SketchUp tool because the shape they need to be created. But in 3ds Max and SketchUp, the model is looking very good. You can able to see, when you will see, it will be attractive. But that model is only for viewing purpose. But with the help of that model, for the construction, if you are going to be execute the component, it is not possible. Because there will be a no dimensional view it is going to be provided from this SketchUp and 3ds Max tool. And there will be no information they are going to be provided by using this, because the 3ds Max only it will be view in 3D, but if you require 2D it is not possible. The SketchUp also we can get in 2D also, in 3D also, but come to the for information it is not possible. For documentation wise, annotation wise, some other information wise, it's not possible. So that is the reason that tool is only for the presentation wise and some attractive wise for the marketing peoples, they are utilizing that one for making something the different view. But come to the BIM, we can do it the same here, but we are doing along with that information. Because after creating the site plan, the landscaping plan, we can able to make it our model with full information, and we can give 3D view also, we can give 2D also, we can give sectional view also, each and every view we can give it. But come to the 3ds Max, SketchUp and some other tools is also there. It is not up to the mark what we are expecting from that tool for the construction. It is not possible. We can't give the dimension in that 3ds Max. We can't say this wall, which type of color also we can't say. Because only viewing purpose, that's all. We have to see and we have to enjoy, that's all. But what type of material, we don't know. What type of this wall you have taken, we don't know. That they have creating the sketch, that's all. How you require, they will do it. And it will be look like as a live images like that. And through that images, they are doing brochures, pamphlets, they are making multiples. Some of the marketing company, they are doing this all things. But come to that site, when you will see that building, it will be nothing will be there. Because in the pamphlet, they are showing some different color. But at site, when you went, the color is different. Because they are making the people as a fool. But actually, it was not there at site. Because they want to attract the people, that's all. But for the information wise, for the parameters wise, they will never do. Even the area of the room, even the size of the room, what is the volume of the room, nothing will become in that tool. But here in BIM, we can get it. If the customer is asking what is the size of that room, you just go and put the area, it will become. What is the volume of the room, it will become. What is the perimeter of the room, it will become. Which type of material you have taken, you just click the entities, it will become whole properties. The physical properties, thermal, everything, the color, graphic, appearance, everything it will become. So here in BIM also, we can get everything what as per our requirement while constructing, while executing the project. So that is the reason the Autodesk people separately they have given this site menu for making the landscaping design. So we will call as a landscape design, landscape. So with the help of site menu, we can do the landscaping design. And landscaping design, based on that, we have to do exterior designing also. Exterior designing also we can do by using this site. Okay, so site is landscaping design. As orally we can give that name also. So everywhere when you will go for the modeling after completion of your interior exterior, the building is completed. All MEP service has been also, the model has been coordinated, everything is perfect. Then your building surrounding area you have to do the model with information, and that information model we can able to create by using this site plan. With the help of site plan we can do it. That is possible here. Okay, so inside what type of component we can go and we can do it. Okay, first we have to create the model with the help of topo surface. Topo surface we can create. Topo surface is nothing but mud, our earth level. The mud level first we have to create, and that mud level we will call as a topo surface. Some of the persons who is working for the topo surface, that component we will call as a topography. We will call as a name as topography. That is topo surface. And always the topo surface will be not at 0. Because in topo surface again there will be a contour levels, contour. You just remember this name, contour levels. There will be a different contours levels will be there. Because the topo surface means the mud. Maybe your mud like that, maybe like that, maybe like that. It will be have the mud like that. So whatever the each and every point, there is a contour point will be created here. Every point there will be a. So this we will call as a contour point. So the topo surface, it's not possible we can get it 0. Because the mud level, it will be having different heights, and that height we will call as a contour level, contour height. So along with the contour height, we have to create the topo surface first. Because your building model has completed. Maybe your building surrounding area, it's not the level which we have created in your building as the levels you have created, that is not going to be matched at all. You have created such 0 level, 0,0 is my building ground level. Maybe your ground may be 0, may not be. 100% we can't say that it will be, because the mud levels may be vary. While constructing, they have poured huge mud on an area, they can pour on another area, they can dig the amount of mud also. So your building level may be same, may not be same. So each and every area, the levels is going to be vary, and that variations we will use with the help of contour levels. So contour is going to be give the height of the land, the mud from the 0. What is the height? And that we have to create by using this topo surface, and with the help of topo surface, we can generate the contours. We can generate the contour also. So first you make it sketch the area, then you can generate the contour from that area. How the model is going to be there. So some of the civil 3D people, they will sketch and they will generate the contour easily. Because their contour, there is some thousands of points will become. Thousands of grip points will become. Thousands of contour levels is going to be generated. So that everything we can do it by using this topo surface here. With the help of that we can do it here. Then after creation of the topo surface, then you have to create the roads. Your building entrance, how it is coming, the road, the main road, what is the size of that road, how many fits from one side, one way or two way, how the roads is there, your building entrance, how it is coming, and your building surrounding sites also you are going to be put some walkway. So that everything we have to create by using roads. So this road we will use by using sub-region. Sub-region on menu is there. With the help of that sub-region, we can able to create the roads. So first you have to create the topo surface. After creating the topo surface, over that topo surface we can able to place the road. And the road types, which type of road? Okay, it's a RCC road, RCC material, or asphalt. Asphalt means it's a tar road. We can say tar. The material is asphalt. Asphalt is a black color. That material we will call as asphalt material. And that road we will call as a tar road or asphalt road also we can say. So that material also you have to specify. Because some of the villages, if you go, right now they are making the road as with RCC, cement road. But if you go the highway, you can find there is a tar road will be there. Okay, that asphalt road. With that material they are utilizing the road. And nowadays some of the roads you can see with some curved stone also. With the help of curved stone also they are making the roads. Curved stone. Some of the area where the mud is very loose. The strength is loose material. Okay, loose soil. That area they are utilizing curved stone also. So we have to create roads also here. With the help of roads we can able to make it the model in our project. Then we have to provide some of the parking signs. Parking signs or parking components. Like the symbols of the road. One way, two way, zebra crossing, four way, and we have to give the path of the road, the parking signs, the two-wheeler parking, four-wheeler parking. We have to make it some different signs. That everything we can go and provide here by using these parking signs or parking components. So after creation of the road, you have to make it the parking signs. Then you have to put some of the planting. Planting we have to provide. Planting means here it will become trees and plants. Trees and plants. We can provide some of the trees, we can provide some of the plants also. So trees and plants also we can able to provide by using planting. And this planting we will call as a site component. Site component comes under planting here. Then you have to provide some of the split region or merge region. That is also possible. We can able to provide the split region and merge region. Because what will happen, your topo is like that and your building is here. You have given the road, the four-way, a two-way road has given. In the road between you have created the signs like that. The signs will become, you can see the parking signs. It will becomes like that. Okay, so some distance there. This road is continuous, it is going. Okay, and now your building is here. So in this your building entrance we have to make it again the road. We have to provide the roads like that. And again the road signs also you have to provide this one. Okay, this road is made of cement or whatever the tar material you can provide. And beside the road again we have to provide some of the this parking stones we will provide here for the walkway. Because the pedestrians, the footpath we can say, that we will call as a walkway. So walkway also you have to give both sides. Here also you have to give the walkway. And here also you have to give the walkway. So the walkway, what type of curb stones are coming, you have to provide the curb stones also in that walkway. Okay, and this is your building. Everything in building, there is a room, there is like that, there are different kinds of rooms is coming here. There is entrance, one big door is there. So whatever it will be there, that you have made. Now here in your surrounding area, now this is your topo surface. Now this is topo. So in this topo, every year there not be a mud. Some area we are going to provide as a grass. So this area I want to put some grass. So that grass placement, or some area you want to put some mud, some area you want to put some plantations. So that everything we can do by using split region or merge region. With the help of split and merge. Split means the topo surface we can sketch separately. We can make it different part. That we will call as a split region. And if the topo surface you want to make it a single surface, then you have to go with the merge region. So with the help of merge region, we can make it combine the topo surface along with the split region. We can do it. So that is possible here while working in a project. So this split region we have to provide. And here also we are going to provide some of the logistic entities. Logistic entities like that, some of the car, some vehicles, and some like manholes details, because the exterior there is a manhole, there is a fire hydrant systems with there. So some of the electrical pole, some telecom box, that comes under all logistics or utilities also. So here you can tell like logistic and utilities components. Utilities components. This all we can able to provide in a site. And then one more entity is also we can able to provide this entourage. Entourage is nothing but the persons, male by females, models also we can able to provide. But here in Autodesk company, they have given some of the entities in such a way that the entourage, they have given some of the male females model also. But that entourage model also we can able to create by using template. So there is one entourage template is there. In that template, your model, your body, your face, everything you can able to create. But you have to use some of the images on that. Which image? Your photo images has to be provided. And that with the help of that photo images, your model, your family has been. So that model also you can able to place in your project also. So the entourage model also we can able to create by using this entourage option, and some of the component with the help of logistic also we can able to do it. So like tray, bench, so parking, trees, some of the curb stones, some of the grasses. The grasses also different grass will be there. So that also we can able to provide. We can able to give some of the parking floor stones, parking strip, everything we can able to provide here by using this logistics and parking signs and utilities also. So with the help of that we can able to do all this. So here this site plan we are going to be do only for the presentation, the building outer sides, how it is going to be visible after completion of your building. So that model also we can able to create by using this site with the help of topography. So here the main utilization is topography, their contour levels, the roads and the parking signs, and some of the utilities where the manuals are coming. You can see now this is a road, and here there is one manual is there. You can see while going in a road you can find some of the manuals will be there here. So you have to provide the manuals all information. that you can provide here. And by entering your building, there is a big pole, some electrical pole is there. So that electrical pole also we have to provide some of the details. The pole length, what type of electricity is coming, what is the phase of the electricity, it's a 2-phase or 3-phase, that all information we can able to provide here. So this all comes under utilities components. So that also we have to do. And your building, there will be some compound wall, so that also we can do it here. You can create some of the compound wall, and inside the compound wall you can do some of the area. But if you are building some area, there is some swimming pool is also coming, that also it's possible, we can make it. And your building surrounding area, there is some excavation has happened, some of the dig of the material, the mud has taken, that also we have to provide, and that we will do with the help of building pad. There is an option will become building pad. With the help of building pad, we can do excavation of topo surface. So wherever you require any excavation, that with the help of building pad we can do it, because that's all comes under underground. The excavation length, the width, the size, things, everything we can take it as an information here. And we can able to provide some of the property line also, because your property, what is the line it is coming, what is the shape your property was there, your land will be there, your building total built up area how much, and there is a construction area how much, gross area that we will call. So in building, when you are going to design, we can able to give built up area, we can able to give this gross area also. So by using this side, we will get the built up area of projects. That also we will get it here. By using this site, with the help of that we can get it. So by doing this modeling in BIM, this all information we can able to show it to the consultant, the client, and we can able to give all information, all the components, and we can able to take the report and the visualization of your model. So that everything is possible here. So moreover the time the clients are asking some of the architecture model like as a landscaping model also in your project. Because after completion this landscaping model, if we are going to show this model in realistic view, everything, the trees, plants, the entourage persons, your road color, everything, it will be look as a real view. And it's a live entities it is going to be visualized. And we can able to give some of the colors also, because after completion of this topo surface or building models, we can able to do some rendering also in our Revit. We can make it, and that rendering also we can do with the help of manual rendering and with the help of online through cloud server. Also we can do some of the rendering, because while doing the rendering, the background color, the background shape, everything you can able to give it here. And with the help of background reflection, the building is going to be provided. So we have to make it some arrangement of the artificial light, we have to make it arrangement with the sunlight, everything has to be reflect. Then the rendering view, the material specification, the colors, everything is going to be come out. So that all things we can do it. But when after completion of your site, every model, the plan, the footpath, the walkway, everything, when it has been completed, then we have to go for the rendering again. Because while placing the realistic view, your rendering, the material specification, everything, it is going to be visible. But apart from that, if you require more extraction of that material, the colors, some it should be reflect more, so then you have to go for the rendering also. So that is also possible here, we can able to do it. So with the help of site only we have to work out in a plan. So that site it is going to be visible in a site. So that is the reason here in the architecture you will find there is a floor plan, level 1, level 2, and separately they have given a site plan. So whenever you are going to be make any project in site, so that time you have to go site plan only. So there will be a separate template is also there for the site plan. So site plan, there is a template is there, site plan template, because Autodesk people they have given separate template also. So when you are going to make any road, landscaping, topo surface, you have to work out in site plan only, not floor plan. In floor plan it will become separately site. You can see when you will take any default templates, you will be find there is a one site, level 1, level 2, below you can see there is a site one plan is there. That is site plan. Because while working in a site plan, again you can able to find out that survey point, project base point that you can find, and topo, that X and Y levels also you can find in that area, that we will call as the x-axis, y-axis, and project base point and survey point. That point also you can able to check it there, because that is the location of your project coordinates point, we can say. That is also visible in site. So that's the reason always you have to remember while working in a site plan, these are the components we can able to make it the model by using topo surface, road, that is sub-region, and then parking signs, planting, split region, and then logistic by utility components, entourage, and building pads also we can able to do it. And here one more option, it is also given graded region. We have to put some of the graded region also. There is some graded region is also there. That also we can able to create the model by using graded region. Because you are building outer exterior shapes, after placing the topo surface, we have to give some of the graded region also. So that is also possible here, we can able to create. And you are building built up area, how much we have considered for making the construction. So that is also, it's possible we can able to give it here. Okay, so like that this site also we can able to make the model with different creativity, we can able to do it here. So that is also possible, and it's a very easy, and we have lot of families also. The Autodesk peoples has provided us, they have provided many plants, many trees. They have given different types of grasses, and they have given parking signs, everything already the Autodesk peoples they have given to us. You just use that one and you just create your landscaping design, how it will be comes to your project. So some of the projects we have to submit only the landscaping design. And this landscaping design, when we are going to be work out, this landscaping we will call as a infra project also. Infra project also, some company they are going to be tell as a name as a infra. That is infrastructure, we can say. So that also it's going to become like that. Nowadays, most of the you can see most of the company people, they are taking some land as in some acres, 2 acres, 3 acres land, and they are making that land with leveling, and after making the leveling they are making a plot. Like that plot that area we will call as ventures, and they are selling that plot, one by one plot they are selling, and that area, that whole area they are making, and some community area, and they are selling the plots. So that plot, when before selling, they are preparing that landscaping drawing, how the ventures you are going to be entrance, they are putting some of the entrance board or everything, some of the security zone, everything they are placing, And after entering the ventures, you can see there is a multiple roads they are providing, and each and every roads they are providing some of the electrical poles, lights, and some of the gardens, some of the swimming pools, some clubhouse. Like that they are designing this all area, because they have taken some 2 to 3 acres and they are making that area as a ventures, and with the help of the ventures they are selling that plot. And some people they are taking with that plot and they are constructing their home. And some company people they are making that ventures, and even that they are constructing the building and they are selling that building directly. Some of the villas, some individual houses they are selling in that way. So before selling they have to prepare this landscaping design, because your building entrance, how it is coming, how many lanes are there, how many roads are coming, what is the distance of the road width, everything we have to prepare this landscaping drawing, then it is going to be visualize everything. So some company people they are only designing the landscaping only. So in BIM also we can do this all landscaping design, because the underground piping, electrical poles, the current distributions, everything how it is happening, and your plot size. And beside the plot, some of the company they are providing some plants, a mango tree, some neem tree they are providing, that also it is there. There is some gardens also they have providing some there is some parking space also they are providing for parking the vehicles. Everything they are doing in the proper manner, and that proper manner they are telling, and that is implementing in landscaping drawing. And that drawing they are taking a print, and that is they are publishing all over the market, and they are selling that plots, everything. That is also doing here. So this all kinds of models, this all kinds of information in site we can do it. Without building also the landscaping is possible, we can make it, no issue. And after that you can able to create your building the same plot, you can able to do it. Nowadays some company people they are making that plot area some box type extrusion, like they are showing this is a building it will become after constructing the project. They will doing that also, some of the presentation wise. So this all will be reflected in site only, it will become.